Hey there! Are you looking for ways to make extra cash with just your smartphone? Look no further. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn up to $1,000 per day by simply installing various apps on your phone. That's right, you can earn money for just installing apps, whether you're into social media, income, or gaming apps. There's an opportunity for you to earn up to $30 per app download. And if you stick around until the end of the video, I'll even share with you a secret website where you can earn 10 times as much money as others. It's available for anyone, anywhere in the world, with a smartphone and internet connection. So, let's get started. We'll start with a website that pays the least and work our way up to the big bucks. Don't miss out on this opportunity to earn some extra cash. Hit that play button and let's get started. The first app where you can make money by downloading other apps is appkarma.io. At the Google Play Store or the App Store, just type AppKarma to find this logo. With this app's dashboard, you may see every other app and game you've downloaded. The number of points you will receive after downloading that specific app is visible right next to them. To receive a list of all the apps you can download, all you have to do is sign up for this app. Install it, make an account, and then log in. The variety of apps you download from AppKarma will determine how many points you obtain. For instance, by simply hitting the install button in this one, you'll receive approximately 1,200 points. After a little while, you can even erase it. They also offer a range of promotions that you can use. The simplest method is to download different apps. All you have to do is click install. Wait a short bit and then use your points. You can choose to withdraw your money using PayPal or another gift card if you'd like. When will you be able to use this website to make at least $10? You would need $12,500 in points, almost the same as downloading 10 separate apps, to match every $10 in PayPal money. When you consider that all it takes to earn enough points to withdraw $10 via PayPal is to click the install button, wait a few minutes, and repeat the process 10 times. It's not much work at all. Ysense.com is the name of the second platform. There are a ton of different ways to generate money online right now. But since downloading apps is one of the simplest ways to do it, we'll focus on it today. They also work closely with many important companies. Individuals are simply gushing about the sums of money they are generating through the numerous platforms that I have extensively researched and will now share with you. There are several ways to make money here, one of which is via downloading programs. By completing different paid surveys, registering for websites, viewing films, and engaging in a variety of other activities, you can make money. You may join by going to ysense.com, entering your email address, making a special password for your account, and clicking Join Now. After that, you'll have access to all of the available apps and be rewarded with real money for each one you download. If you want to get the most out of this website, I strongly suggest that you look into its referral program because it pays lifetime commissions of over 30%. This entails that you can copy your Ysense.com referral link and share it with friends and family members you believe might benefit from visiting this website, as well as with anybody else you know who appreciates working from home. If they start making money, you will get 30% of their prospective earnings. You will still make money even if they bring in $1,200 because just one referral will earn you $360 in pure passive revenue. Through referrals, you'll produce more passive money. A third website called getpaid2.com will pay you even more. The advantage of this website is that you may make money by downloading games to your smartphone, which is surely something we all do daily. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. It costs money to download certain games and apps. You can earn money in several ways, such as through completing surveys, short activities, and online offers. All of these things will take far more time and effort than downloading apps. Downloading an app only takes a couple of minutes, and you may start getting paid right immediately. To start downloading the games for free, go to getpaid2.com, click Join Free today, and fill out the registration form. On this website, 5,000 points are needed to withdraw $1. Hence, 50,000 points are needed to earn $10. You can relax because each app and game you install will earn you considerably more points. The finest feature is that they accept some payment options, including bank transfers, Bitcoin, Ethereum, PayPal Money, Skrill, and other gift cards. Just sign up and you may start earning a lot of money. The fourth website where users can make money by installing free programs is pricerebel.com. This is my favorite because you don't have to wait at all to get paid. It takes around 5 seconds to sign up. Download a couple applications and get paid right away. You can get paid using PayPal and other methods including gift cards, Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and Walmart gift cards. Although I think it works in most nations, you may check for yourself by creating a free account on this website. You may start making money right now by creating a free account and installing a few applications. Around 12 million people use this website, so you know it must be a good one if so many people use it frequently. They have also given away over $2.5 million in cash and prizes since 2007. They apparently have a web page and have been online for some time. Customers have given it outstanding reviews on Trustpilot and Survey Police, which have both reviewed it. You can review each endorsement made by a Prize Rebel user who has made money. By signing up for Prize Rebel with your Google or Facebook account, you may start making a lot of money online. The sixth platform is called featurepoints.com. It is accessible through the Google Play Store and the App Store. Simply look for this kind of logo by searching for Feature Points in the App Store or Google Play Store. Then download the app on your device from there. You may visit their website on a laptop or computer. Register and start installing the apps for free if you don't want to use your smartphone. The best way to earn feature points is via downloading programs, though there are other ways as well. To gain points, try out some free applications and games. I enjoy using feature points since in addition to being the most expensive, they also give me access to many apps that would otherwise be expensive. These apps, which are generally purchased with real money and paid for, will be made available to you without any strings attached. Also, they will pay you to install them. To get credit, you simply need to utilize the app for a brief period. After a brief period, you can fully uninstall the app, and the money you earn will still be yours. You can also get paid if you send someone to this website. You'll receive 10% of your lifetime earnings in pure passive income, and they provide PayPal and several other foreign payment methods. Sign up for your free account at featurepoints.com to begin earning money right away. I want to show you the documentation that demonstrates how much money I have derived from this website. As you can see, I have once more amassed over 300,000 points, and I have already redeemed money through this service. I can make more than $500 for these points with just one website, featurepoints.com. This has potential and functions well. You can get a bonus of $30 for each app on the Plug website. With the help of the website The Plug, which allows for daily earnings of $2,000 to $5,000, many people are generating a lot of money. With only this one app, some users are earning over $200 per day, so it really pays well. The Plug app can be downloaded, and you can download other apps using the app's internal referral links. You may then promote those referral links, and you will get paid every time a user installs that specific software. Choose an app to promote, spread the word about it on social media, and you'll get paid. Some of the software's users make 6 figures or more on their own. It has a ton of promise, but it's really different from the last 5 apps I showed you in this video since you won't get paid to install it. To earn money by having others download those apps using your referral link, you must promote them. That works incredibly well and pays up rapidly. Using this app, you can easily make $30 for each app. The end of that, until the next video. Take care! I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you for watching.